Man versus beast, the wild boar crisis. Out here, it's not just a hunt. It's a battle against an unstoppable force. Wild boars in the United States aren't just animals. They're destructive invaders wreaking havoc on farmlands, ecosystems, and communities, tearing through crops, displacing native wildlife, and carrying disease. They leave devastation in their wake. This isn't a leisurely stroll through the woods. It's a mission to restore balance. Armed with sharp tusks, raw power, and surprising intelligence, wild boars are nature's wrecking machines. With their population exploding across the U.S., they've become one of the most destructive invasive species on the continent, costing billions in damage annually. From Texas to Florida and beyond, these creatures are spreading chaos, and it's time to fight back. The forest whispers its defiance, daring us to step deeper into its shadows. Each rustle of leaves, each flicker of movement, holds the promise of confrontation. In this battleground, the line between predator and prey blurs. Wild boars are not just formidable opponents, they are survivors. Their thick hides, razor-sharp tusks, and relentless instincts make them a challenge even for the most skilled hunters. This is more than a sport. It's a necessity. Boars uproot crops, destroy habitats, and threaten livestock. They outcompete native species and turn delicate ecosystems into wastelands. Their sheer numbers and adaptability mean traditional methods of control are no longer enough. Every hunt is a step toward reclaiming the land and protecting what matters most. This is more than a sport. It's a necessity. Boars uproot crops, destroy habitats, and threaten livestock. They outcompete native species and turn delicate ecosystems into wastelands. Their sheer numbers and adaptability mean traditional methods of control are no longer enough. Every hunt is a step toward reclaiming the land and protecting what matters most. The hunt begins long before you see the boar. It's a feeling, a shift in the air, an ancient instinct stirring within you. Every sound, every shadow signals its presence. The hunter moves carefully, knowing one misstep could send the boar fleeing, or worse, charging. The wild boar doesn't play fair. It knows this terrain better than we ever could. It's a master of survival, adapting, outsmarting, and staying one step ahead. When it finally emerges, it's not just an animal. It's the embodiment of the untamed wild, powerful and unyielding. When the charge comes, it's a test of raw courage. The boar barrels forward, an explosion of muscle and fury. In that split second, it's all instinct. One shot, one moment, that's all there is between victory and disaster. This isn't just a hunt. It's a fight to protect our land, our livelihoods, and our future. Every shot taken, every step forward, is a stand against destruction. We're here to ensure that chaos doesn't reign unchecked, that balance is restored, and that the legacy of this land endures. Wild boars may think they own the territory, but today we prove otherwise. This is more than sport, it's stewardship. If you're ready to join the fight, like this video, subscribe to Hunting World, and share it with others who understand the stakes. The battle isn't over, and the wild boar isn't done, but neither are we. Stay sharp, stay ready, and never back down. Together, we can protect what matters most.